feel like it's over and you want to throw the towel in and give up, don't. Because God led me to Amy, and from this day on, I will never look back. This is my journey. This is my new life, and I will be stepping in the world, and you will see me again. Thank you all for all your help, Mrs. Amy. I love you. I'm appreciative. You gave me hope, and I'm ready to start my new journey. And I love you dearly. And thank you, Quorum, for the amazing, beautiful design. And I will have more footage for you in the future. Thank you. And me and Amy, you will see us again. Thank you for everything. I very much appreciate it.